you just totally caught his bullet.
I know.
Let's go take a look at the other side. Here we have my brother, little brother, and my friend's little brother, and my friend. And he's probably behind that blue tarp right there. It's somewhere. There's Greg, my friend, and Ben. He's in my class and he's my friend, sort of. I don't know. But he has an airsoft gun. Ah, there's Daniel. He's the one with the white cap. He's the one that looks like Kanye West right now, except not in black.
Okay. You got two behind the blue one, Greg, and one by the hockey net.
Ben, where'd you leave it? Got Meg.
Didn't get me.
Okay, let's just not call it a hit. Greg, you're gonna win anyways. Unless Ben gets hit, then you're screwed.
You can just shot.
There's that kid with the shotgun who thinks he's all bad, but he really isn't. Yeah, he is. There's Daniel. Okay, guys, start finishing up there.
Wow, this is great.
Guys, I'm gonna do something right here, okay? Ready? Did you see that? Got him. Oh!
My gun doesn't work.
Kanye West is out. Kanye West, point two. And he's down!